really want to try the main event combo. So the only place I have to try it is back here. So I wanted to get a nice before picture before I do that. Right now, she's being fed with higher Brix. The color is looking fantastic. So I'm gonna go mix it up and throw it down. As I evaluate this main event, I'm trying to get pictures and things that are around the same time of day so that I can compare. It's really hard with the comparisons because the higher Brix and Simple Lawn solutions were already giving me a really nice color. But I have to say, looking at it in person, it is darker than it was yesterday morning when I applied it. It's a little bit. I am on day 4 of the main event concoction combo, and I was gonna stop the results here, but then I talked to 𝐏𝐫𝐸 and I was told that you could still see a visual response up to 5 days. So I'm gonna go ahead and extend this and give you the results for day 4 and 5 as well. We're on day 4, and I apologize, I have not cut the yard. I plan on doing that today. So day 5, you'll see this whole thing with the lawn cut. But I also want to tell you that your response is gonna be based on your pH, your soil type, and your grass type. So whereas I got a response the second day, you may not get your response for day 2 or 3, 4 or 5. Who knows? I know my soil is pretty good back here, and I'll go ahead and put the pH from the last soil test up here for you to see. But yeah, this is where we are right now. The color is darker for sure, 100%. How much darker? Maybe the videos and the pictures will show you. That's the plan. So stick with me. We're gonna look at day 4 and 5 and see where we are at day 5. Unfortunately, I have used multiple cameras to record this, so I know I'm going to get some comments about the different visuals that you guys are seeing, so I'm trying to compensate for that. So now I have a different device. I'm back in the backyard. It's a little bit later than the 7:20, but I wanted to at least, because you can see like the sun's hitting over there now, but here's where the shade is, so that kind of gives you an indication of color. I'll go on the other side and see if we can get anything over there as well. Okay, so here we are on the other side, and you can see it's shaded as well. So the sun's coming up over there. But I wanted to grab this shot so you can at least see that from, this is actually my iPhone that I'm recording on right now. So a little bit different, having some issues with the color grading and stuff, getting it correct. But I really want to give you guys a great indication or visual of what the main event is actually doing. And try not to judge me too hard on my backyard. It's a work in progress. Again, my kids and my dogs play back here, so I'm doing the best I can. I think it looks really good considering the activity that it gets back here. So I didn't have another space in the front part or side of the yard to do this test, so the backyard is what I use. But don't look at that stuff, just kind of try to focus on the color, which there's some great color being produced by this main event combo. All right, let's talk a little bit about application of these products. All right, unfortunately, you are gonna have to apply all 3 of them separately because they have different modes of action, different requirements. So for instance, the dry iron is a foliar uptake of the iron. Therefore, you want to apply that separately, and you want to apply it every 14 to 21 days is the recommendation. So for the manganese, the application recommendation is every 14 to 21 days as well. With both the manganese and the iron, you only want to apply these during active growth. So that is important, and that's one of the things you see here on the chart, highlighted for you so you can remember that. Now with the molasses, have to stop and think about that. With the molasses, it's recommended to apply that every 14 to 28 days. Now it doesn't say anything about it has to be during active growth, so you know. And you can go out to the 𝐏𝐫𝐸 website and look at the label. They have that out there for you to see. So follow the label, apply all of these things properly, and you will get a fantastic response. All right, it is looking good back here. It's looking good back here. And that wraps up my results video. I absolutely recommend these products. I don't know what it is, and I cannot explain to you why it is I feel so good about putting these products on my lawn. I don't know, but the results speak for themselves. I do apologize for the multiple types of cameras that gave you a little bit of different video, but I think within all of the video that I gave to you, you can see the results for yourself. Go ahead and check out 𝐏𝐫𝐸𝐸 and see if these are products that work well in your lawn, because they are making my backyard pop right now. All right guys, this has been fun. I'll check you in the next video. Cheers. This product slide gives you a little bit of information on each product. Please feel free to pause here and read through the benefits of the products.